Hello, boys and girls. This is Miss D. Troy, and today we're going to start back with the second part of drawing our line turtle. First of all, let's look back at the chart that we looked at on yesterday, and let's review our lines. Remember, lines are very important because they help us as artists to draw and express what we're actually seeing and trying to communicate to those who are looking at our drawing. We have a straight line, we have the curved line. Remember those lines because we're going to use them. They're very important. We have the zigzag line, or some people call it the jagged line. And we also have the curved line or the wavy line. And then we have broken lines. So kind of put those in your brain so that you'll remember them. Now, let's view our turtle. We can see that our turtle, if we were drawing the turtle, we can already see the lines that we would use the most, mostly waved line and curvy lines. We would see some, maybe even some zigzag lines to create the textures on the turtle. So let's really think about those lines in the shape of the shell, the head, and the legs. Now, we're going to start our drawing by drawing a big curved line for the top of the turtle's shell. And we don't want to draw small. We want to use all of our paper. So try to go from one side of your paper to the other side and make sure you draw that curved line very big. Next, boys and girls, we want to go start at the bottom of that uh, curved line, and we want to draw a horizontal line that goes from one side of the curved line to the other. And this closes up our shape and creates the turtle's shell. Pretty neat. Then we want to add two gigantic zigzag lines for the turtle's legs. Now, some people want their turtle to have four legs. So that would be four zigzag lines that kind of look like triangles up at the bottom of our shell. Next, boys and girls, we want to add the head. We want to start with that. So start at the bottom of the turtle's shell and draw a curved line that looks like a candy cane. Next, we want to close up that shape by adding another line, which creates the turtle's head. Then we want to start drawing the turtle's face. Start with your eye. Start with its eye. After we've done that, add the mouth, and at the back end of the turtle, add a tail. Kind of looks like a little small triangle. Next, boys and girls, we're going to go ahead and we're going to divide the turtle shell into four equal parts. We want to draw a vertical line in the middle of that shell that runs up and down. And then halfway the turtle's shell, we want to draw a horizontal line that runs from side to side. Next, boys and girls, we want to think about four different lines to put in each part of our turtle's shell. You can use the curvy line, you can use broken lines, you can use zigzag lines, you can even use dotted lines, or you can make up your very own lines. It's up to you. But we want to make sure that we have one special line design in each one of those parts of the turtle's shell. Boys and girls, this is an example of a finished drawing of the turtle. As you can see, I used